What should be the approach for 2027? 2027 के लिए अगर आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो तो आपकी अप्रोच क्या होनी चाहिए? It is as cliche as it will sound. You have to read from the scratch. One, that is your NCERT. NCERT is must. They are must. You cannot skip them. एटलीस्ट 11th एंड 12th की तो पढ़ लो, जोग्राफी की 7th 8th 6th 7th 8th की भी पढ़नी चाहिए, ठीक है? तो प्लीज रीड योर NCERTs. Why I am saying NCERTs will make your foundation first of all, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट, इट विल हेल्प यू इन मार्किंग द राइट आंसर. अगर किसी ने 2026 का पेपर देखा है तो ऑन द वेरी फर्स्ट पेज जहाँ पे इंस्ट्रक्शंस लिखी होती हैं उसके अंदर एक स्टेटमेंट होती है जो यूपीएससी लिखती है, विच सेज इफ यू फील देर आर 2 करेक्ट ऑप्शन टू एन आंसर, मार्क द बेस्ट पॉसिबल आंसर टू दैट क्वेश्चन, ठीक है? दैट मीन्स 2 सही में से भी आपको ज़्यादा सही वाला चुनना है. और अगर यूपीएससी को सिलेक्ट करना होगा ना क्या आंसर है, दे विल गो टू एनसीईआरटीज. अगर कोई डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है कि एनसीईआरटी में क्या लिखा है, ठीक है, इसीलिए एनसीईआरटी में क्या लिखा है ये आपको पता होना चाहिए, बिकॉज आप यू विल बी एबल टू मार्क द बेस्ट पॉसिबल आंसर आउट ऑफ द 2 राइट आंसर्स if they are there, right? So that is why NCERTs are important. Then comes your standard textbooks. Why standard textbook? They include your Lakshmikant or your Spectrum or maybe any coaching material that you want to refer for society, because उसकी कोई एक set book तो है नहीं, ethics की book नहीं है. तो why you want to refer to these books? Because they will provide you the required depth of the understanding, ठीक है? You cannot skip these books. No matter कोचिंग आपने कहीं से भी ली हो, no matter आपने कितने बढ़िया टीचर के भी नोट्स पढ़े हैं, you cannot leave this because the person who is going to qualify is reading these books. If any questions comes, that person is going to get the question correct and you will not get it correct because आपने नहीं पढ़ा है. Classes 1 साल तक चलती हैं, उनकी limitations हैं content cover करने की क्लास में. They cannot do it to the extent which is written. See, understand, the purpose of class is to make a foundation. आपको जिन सब्जेक्ट की नॉलेज नहीं है उसका देना, show you the direction of working, but work has to done by you. You have to do the reading of the standard textbooks. There is no excuse for this, ठीक है? You cannot say you are preparing for UPSC and you haven't read Spectrum and Lakshmikant. Sorry, you cannot say that. You have to read it, right? Then is your current affairs. करंट अफेयर्स के लिए न्यूज़पेपर is your primary source of current affairs, followed by you can do quizzes, MCQ practice या daily current affair किसी भी एक इंस्टीट्यूट्स का पढ़ सकते हो, मंथली मैगजीन्स. अब इन सब के अपने डिफाइंड रोल हैं और इसका अपना डिफाइंड रोल है. व्हाट आर देयर रोल? मंथली मैगजीन और उसका, दे विल टेल यू अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव स्ट्रक्चर्ड, आपकी R&D कम कराएगा, ठीक है? R&D का काम आपको नहीं करना, लेकिन न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना इज अ मस्ट, ठीक है? विल डिस्कस व्हाई. देन इज योर PYQs. I have discussed the relevance of PYQs in length and breadth in this video, so I don't think I need to go further deeper. But अगर आपने PYQs छोड़ा है, you are away from the UPSC mindset, ठीक है? And that is why you are away from the selection also. UPSC repeats questions, ठीक है? And then your mock practice करना is equally essential for pre, for mains, ठीक है? तो these things are non-negotiable. Then one thing again I would like to highlight, do not skip reading newspapers. If you see, this is the message on LinkedIn left by your UPSC chairman with respect to 2026 papers. Most answers are based on standard textbooks, government websites, government press release and reputed newspapers. Now websites और press releases का जो भी important current में चल रहा होता है वो newspaper में आता है. So when the UPSC itself is telling you the core source of serious aspirant that rely on are these, serious aspirant के लिए ये standard textbook reputed newspaper are important, then who are we to say कि नहीं पढ़ना है? You have to read it. Even if anybody tells you, I have seen a lot of people telling you कि do not read newspaper only before interview. No, sorry, you cannot do that. You have to read newspapers, yaar. There is no escape. Do not spend 2 to 3 hours on reading newspaper. Skim through the newspaper. Read 1 to editorials जो भी उसके अंदर दिया है. Make your own brief notes. Spend 1 to 1.5 hour max on newspaper daily basis पे. See, reading newspaper will build your memory, will over a period subconscious memory को strengthen करता है newspaper पढ़ना. It will keep you more aware. Tomorrow, even if you enter in services, you will still have to read newspapers. So it's a very good habit in any which ways ना. इंटरव्यू से पहले भी तो पढ़ने के लिए बोल ही रहे हैं ना, तो अभी भी पढ़ लो, पढ़ना पड़ेगा. अवेयरनेस के बिना तो पेपर क्लियर होने से रहा. ठीक है, कितनी चीज़ें कहाँ से कवर होती हैं. मैगजीन को गल्प करना इज टेकिंग अ पिल. डेली न्यूट्रिशन फूड खाना इज योर रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर. सो विच इज़ बेटर, एक दिन पे पिल खा लेना या फिर रेगुलरली न्यूट्रिशियस फूड खाना विच विल कीप यू मोर हेल्दियर. Obviously, daily nutritious food khana will keep you more healthier, and that is what newspaper means. Magazines are a pill, as simple as that. Okay? So we don't want to go to pills, right? We just want to go to pills to supplement, not to replace it. Supplement का क्या purpose है? Why do you need magazines? आपसे कोई topic miss हुआ है, आपकी कुछ comprehensive analysis pending है, आप वहाँ से ले लो. It will be easier for you to do. But not as a replacement to newspapers. It can never replace newspapers. I'm sorry. You have to read newspapers. Now, if you see why standard textbook, although I have discussed, I'll give you an example. Now, this is your paper of 2026. इस साल का ही पेपर है. Question asked by members in the Parliament of India. Unstarred questions and starred questions. No supplementary question. This is a direct question from Lakshmikant and was an easy 2 marks. Again this. Committee on Welfare of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. Again a question from your Parliamentary Committee's chapter of Lakshmikant. Direct straightforward question. उसके अंदर सिर्फ एक पैरा लिखा है इसके बारे में और उससे 4 स्टेटमेंट बना दी गई हैं. ठीक है, and this is what you need to read, right? Now see, this is from economy. I have taken questions from all the subjects and I have taken 2 question. अगर आपको लग रहा है कम में, I can bring up with more questions, but I have taken 2 questions. Now this is crowding out effect. This is a standard economy term. Crowding in and crowding out is a standard phenomena. The answer here is B. ठीक है. So this is again a standard question. Then NBFCs के ऊपर question है और basic functions of NBFC के ऊपर question है. कोई out of the blue statement नहीं है. ठीक है. This is the purpose of standard textbook. Let's take example of other subjects as well. This is your Science and Tech Genome India project. It's a part of Human Genome Project or not. तो this stealth technology, these are your basic concepts यार, basic concepts हैं ये. And they are coming from your standard textbooks. इसके अंदर कुछ वो नहीं है, किसी भी एक मटेरियल को उठा के देखो, ये टॉपिक तो कवर होंगे ही होंगे. ठीक है. So that is why skipping any sort of textbook is not fine. This is your geography. Now if you see geography, Andaman and Nicobar Islands के ऊपर question है. Then Peninsular Block of India. NCERT, direct NCERT से questions. And then rivers के ऊपर question है. Basis of the antecedent drainage system. Indian physical geography. Direct question from your NCERT. All 3 questions are from Indian Physical Geography booklet. एक बुक में से 3 क्वेश्चन है, 2023 में से 10 क्वेश्चन थे. ठीक है. So you cannot afford to skip your basic books, right? And then why you want to, we were talking about PYQs, why we cannot skip PYQs. I have laid down the examples. Now this is again a paper of 2026 में से. There is a question with respect to green hydrogen. There was a question in 23, there was a question in 24, there is a question in 26. What else do you want for UPSC to tell you कि questions कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? Then Asian Okay, cooperation between India and Asian member countries. ठीक है. Last year there was a question on कालादान multimodal project. ठीक है. उसका starting कहाँ से हो रहा है, end कहाँ पे है, points के ऊपर question था. But this is how it will repeat ना, repetition of question. Then rare earth element 2025 में question था. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर हमने जब पीछे डिस्कस भी किया है ओनली वन ओनली टू वाले स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन के अंदर हमने वो वाला क्वेश्चन पिक भी किया है 2025 वाला, देखना आप जाके. ठीक है. So that is what why PYQs are important. And then they helps decoding the pattern. Say for example, why I'm saying they help decoding the patterns. UPSC के पेपर में when there are absolute statements, कहीं पे भी होते हैं, the chances are those statements, absolute statements, are incorrect. There is no article, there is no article, there is no article. Right statement is there is no correct statement. That is what you learn while reading the PYQs. ठीक है. Then again, सुदर्शन चक्र के ऊपर क्वेश्चन है, these two statements are correct. There is only one incorrect statement, which is one of the aims is to cover all public places. जहाँ पे यूपीएससी ऐसे प्लेस करती है, अगर एक इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है तो बाकी करेक्ट ही होती हैं बाय एंड लार्ज. ठीक है. सो यू लर्न दैट दीज पैटर्न्स when you practice PYQs multiple times, see those patterns, decode those patterns. That is why PYQs are a must. ठीक है. This is the core message that I would like to give to all of you. That is, prepare your mindset to be calm in the most adverse scenarios, which you will face in every year prelims, every year mains, every interviews. You will be thrown up with adverse questions if you want to qualify. If you will not change your pattern, you will not qualify. You have to change your mindset irrespective of anything. You have to bring that change, develop that attitude that okay fine, even if there are unknown territories, I will still be calm, still not take the pressure, and still try to apply the best use of my knowledge and get the answer correct. See, the difference of knowledge between those who qualify and who don't qualify is none. Knowledge का कोई difference है ही नहीं. ठीक है. Between 70 to 90, 100, there is no difference of knowledge. The only difference is जिनके negative ज़्यादा हुए because of pressure and जिनके negative कम हुए because of less pressure, because they could keep themselves calm, because the minute you will be calmer, your brain will have more functional abilities. More you will take pressure, your brain will not function to its optimum capacity. You might feel it today, you might not feel it today, but whenever you will give exam, जब भी आप एग्जाम देने बैठे हो, आपको पता है कि आपने प्रेशर में आके गलत किया है. बिकॉज जब आपने आके पेपर देखा, आपको लगा शिट ये तो गलत हो गया, नॉट करेक्ट पूछा था, करेक्ट मार दिया. ठीक है. मैंने आंसर तो सही मार्क किया था, OMR में गलत फिल कर दिया. दीज आर साइन ऑफ नर्वसनेस एंड प्रेशर. एक दो हर किसी से होता है, एक दो हर किसी से होता है, लेकिन उसके बियॉन्ड अगर आप ज़्यादा कर रहे हो, that is what you have to take control of. You have to write, you have to prepare yourself to be calm, you have to prepare yourself to be neutral under pressure. ठीक है. This is the entire purpose of the entire cycle of this examination. That is why the cycle is very long. That is why it tests your character. As simple as that, more than your knowledge. अगर नॉलेज होता तो नीट की तरह 720 में से 720 नंबर आते, बट ये नॉलेज का टेस्ट नहीं है. एज सिंपल एज दैट. ठीक है. सो इसके अलावा इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस यू मे प्लीज़ आस्क इट. एंड अगेन वी आर कंडक्टिंग अ वेबिनार ऑन संडे with respect to your in-depth strategy that you can take for 2027 prelims. If you want to come join the webinar, the link will be in the description. Please go through, you have to fill a Google form. Please register yourself, okay, so that the link can be sent to you for the webinar. And if you have any doubt, any question, please write them in the comment section. I might come live tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and address all your queries. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. But change your mindset, build the develop the attitude, and do not fall for the shortcuts. Shortcuts will not help you. You have to do it the right way with the right guidance. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day.